Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and this will show a bunch of toggles, and here just find the hotspot toggle. For me it is right over here. Once you see it, hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings, and the reason you want to navigate into the settings is because you will see the hotspot password. It is randomly generated, so without navigating here you have no way of knowing what it is set to. I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Click on save, and that's all you need to change. Next, we can close this and find the button once more, tap on it. It will use the same antennas as it does for Wi-Fi, therefore it's going to turn off your Wi-Fi to broadcast hotspot. So be mindful of that, as you'll only be limited to using either Wi-Fi or hotspot. You can't use both. And once you're done using it, you can find the toggle once again and tap on it once more. This will turn off your hotspot and re-enable Wi-Fi. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.